Hey guys! I am going to be traveling next week, and I was really busy the first week of this month as well because I got married. If you follow me on my main channel, you already knew that, but not all of you follow me on my main channel. So anyway, yeah, I'm married and I'm going to be traveling the next week. So I wanted to get something uploaded in September, especially since this channel has sort of been blowing up. Like yesterday I got 15 subscribers, and like my one video about living off of $20 a week for food is like going crazy. So I just wanted to do a quick little video. Actually, I don't know how quick it's going to be. Anyway, I'm rambling. So what I wanted to do here is to address sort of my reasons and my methodology, I guess, for making these videos where I live on a budget for groceries. I've done a few so far. Like the $20 a week one is the one that everyone's seen. Probably at least a fifth of you who are watching this video probably found my channel because of that video. I also have one for $30 a week. I also have one where I didn't calculate beforehand how much money I was going to spend. I calculated after, just because I wanted to see how much money I would spend if I was not really actively imposing a budget on myself. So anyway, the reason why I decided to do those kinds of videos is in the past I had a lot of fun doing like a vegan for a week challenge, paleo for a week challenge. I was a raw foodist for a week just to see what it's like, and because it's funny and weird. But when I recently moved to Washington, actually like a year ago, a combination of the expense of the move plus just I earned $20,000 less that year than I had the year before when I was making these life decisions to like live here and calculating how much money I'd need. So as of now, even though I'm still doing pretty well, like for a lower middle class American, I am more or less living paycheck to paycheck. I don't have any money in savings. I'm trying to just be as frugal as I can while also trying to make more money with my business, and especially with a sick husband to take care of now. I mean, I was taking care of him before we were married, but it's like, he's not well. He's seeing doctors like twice a week trying to get better. So he can't work really that much at the moment. So it's pretty much all on me to pay for us to survive. And I don't want to put us in a position where I'm spending all of my money and not having any left over for a sudden emergency or expense. And food budget is one of those ways where you can like save money a little bit. And the purpose of me telling you guys that is not like, oh, woe is me, I'm so poor and pity me or whatever. Again, I acknowledge that I'm actually one of the luckier ones in America right now, and indeed, by extension, the world at large. I do not take for granted the fact that, even though for me, like there have been times in my life where I have had more money and I've been able to eat better. There are plenty of Americans who are better, able to eat better than I do. I still do not take for granted and acknowledge that like I still eat better than most people in the entire world as far as availability of ingredients, nutrition, enough calories, quality of food. Yeah, and I'm very grateful for that, and I do not take that for granted. So the reason why I'm making these videos, in addition to, well, I personally just really need to save money right now, I also know that a lot of Americans are in the same boat. They're losing their jobs, wages are stagnating, rent prices are increasing, cost of living is going up, people are in debt, they need to save money. And when I say all of that, I'm not like, yeah, so if everybody just were more frugal with their money, with food and everything, then all these problems would be solved. It's like, no, these are systematic issues that need to be solved from the ground up. But be that as it may, it still doesn't hurt for us all to be more frugal and to be more aware of like where our money is going and how much money everything costs. So I'm making these videos as far as like consumption goes for the internet at large, for you people watching them. I make them for anyone who is just curious as to what that looks like, to live off of $20 a week for groceries in America, to live off of $30 a week for groceries in America. And when I say America, of course, it doesn't apply to all places in America. It depends on where you live. It depends on where you shop. But yeah, it is meant to be sort of like a snapshot of, well, this is what it could look like to live off of $20 a week or $30 a week or $45 a week for groceries in the United States. And these are some ways that a person could save some money in the United States. And not, hey, everybody should do this. So anyway, moving forward, I do want to make more videos like the ones that I've been making where I challenge myself to live off a certain amount of money per week, again, because I kind of have to do that anyway to keep myself afloat and within my budget, within my means. So I will be doing more videos like that. I kind of want to get more specific also and maybe challenge myself to do like a $20 vegan week, or, you know, some other restriction, or maybe see what it's like to get my groceries at a dollar store or something else. I don't know. If there's anything that you guys want me to look at specifically, any specific kind of challenge, a specific dollar amount, or specific like other sort of restrictions or anything, let me know. Like as of now, because this is a small channel, I don't have access to the community tab, so I can't ask you guys questions through there. You can add me on Facebook. I do have a Facebook for this channel, Sarah K Loves Food. So you can add me there and get in touch with me there as well. But otherwise, pretty much the only way I have to communicate with you guys is to release a video and for you guys to put comments on it. So just giving you that opportunity with this video, again, because I'm too busy this month to put out like a full-blown video. So until then, I hope you guys are eating well and eating a lot of tasty food and a lot of healthy food and a lot of inexpensive food or expensive food. Go crazy. We're gonna actually live a little this next week when we're traveling. We are gonna eat at some of our favorite restaurants. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm also looking forward to making more challenges for this channel in the future. Bye.